It's compact in there, isn't it?
Yeah. Actually, a little.
Four-wheel drive belt. Basically, literally, proper.
Yeah.
ESC.
Censored.
That's like a little X-ray, isn't it?
How much was it? You talking everything?
Little shocks,
Everything.
Ain't got oil in the
This,
shocks, have
I
they?
probably spent 400 or 500. It's 200 for the chassis.
Fucking hell.
Like
Just 3D print it.
70 quid ESC
Yeah, but with
motor,
FDM
50
technology.
quid servo.
It's literally.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Is that oil in the shocks as well?
No, those are friction shocks. It's two pieces. If you take the arm off, it just pop
It's got a
off.
proper diff as well.
Full disc. I put all the little balls in.
Bloody hell. You got some patience.
Dan, you fancy building one?
I want.
I have. I've got a tiny camber gauge.
Christmas.
And I got. This is a comic, not the. Yeah, it's got exactly the same.
Tiny one. Wait, come here. I'm just thinking
The track you can have that. Like a 1 minute lap. And it's like, you could have Silverstone with that thing.
over here.
Four-wheel drive.
Tiny car.
Yeah, I'll
Put all everything
one end of the other. I said the best way
The tyres will fly off if I do 100.
We're not 100% you are at the minute. Yeah. My curve shop got a tyres will fly. 4.5 They go tape on the car.
I've got the body post at the rear, but I need the front bumper to put the post on the front. It doesn't come with anything. If you buy a mini Z body, use the clip to mount off. Just clip on. These are 245 amps. I don't know how long, but I haven't even charged this back. I thought like 4 of them. They were £18 a piece. Yeah. So you get 4, you have more grip cards as well.
Yeah. 75 depending on what, like, yeah. And here.
Oh, I recognise that breed.
Yeah.
The group and the link to the purchase. Yeah. I just show you where to go.
Bit of money coming at the end of the month, and you hide it from the wife. And that's extremely easy to hide.
Money laundering.
Oh yeah, I put it on my carpet and the tyres all flew off. I put it down and was still part of it. I didn't realise it was going that fast.
Yeah.
And before it hit anything, the tyres just...
If you think about it, if they did a mini Z day here, you could have 3 tracks. With 3 programs.
Like, come
So how much do you spend on electronics for this?
Maybe 150 or something. It's £40 servo. I think it was like £60 for both ESC and motor, maybe a bit more. Receiver's about £10, and then the batteries are about £18–20. It's decent. And I'm going to go to Bath and Bristol's Mini Z Club at some point.
Oh, they do mini Zs?
Yeah. Do you know Andy?